How will you find out if the food has been adulterated? Food material. You can see here is milk and the adulterant is water. So you can do this activity at home. Put a drop of milk on a glass slide and slightly incline it to spread the drop. If the spread mark of milk does not appear milky white, water must have been added to it. Red chili powder. Brick dust is mixed in red chili powder. So take a spoonful of chili powder in a glass beaker, add water up to half of the beaker, stir it and leave it undisturbed for a few minutes. If a red layer is seen settled at the bottom of the beaker, it must have been adulterated with brick dust. Turmeric powder, this you cannot do this test at home because you require a chemical, that is concentrated hydrochloric acid, to find out the adulterant methanol yellow. Rava, you can definitely check at home. If there are fine iron filings in it, you can bring a magnet through the rava, and iron filings, they adhere to the magnet. So with these simple tests in day-to-day life, we can find out if there is any adulterant in the food material that we have bought for consumption. So children, the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act, it was passed in 1954 and it has been abandoned from time to time. And the amendment of 1976 provides for life imprisonment for the person involved in adulterating food with a harmful substance. There are clear directions that food should be properly stored, packing material should not be endangered, the food or medicines, and there should be clear and legible information on it about the manufacturing date, expiry date, and instructions for storage. So children, you always need to remember that some chemicals are injected into fruits to make them more attractive and tasty. So be careful when we are buying the fruits. Milk vendors, they add urea to the milk so that it appears to have higher fat content. Shopkeepers, they change the expiry date of the food packets in airtight containers to avoid a financial loss. Calcium carbide and some other chemicals are used to make fruits look more attractive. Example, bright yellow bananas. Frequently harmful chemicals like carbonated soda, phosphoric acid, etc. are mixed with cold drinks. And of course, when we will consume such adulterated food, it will hamper our health. So we need to be alert while we are buying the food product. Check properly for the expiry date, for its contents, for preservatives, and then go further. Thank you.